If most lawyers know that AI can be a really valuable tool in their legal practices and make their workflows more efficient, why isn't it more prevalent in the legal profession? The answer is somewhat surprising, but perhaps not unexpected. I'm Ramesh Adhirachi, and I'm building out a platform that helps lawyers and law firms integrate AI more effectively into their legal workflows. And through conversations with my legal network and various legal professionals, here's something that kept coming up. In the last couple of videos, I talked about how having a prompting framework is key to ensuring that you're going to be having output that's more successful. And also how, if you're using AI, you need to be using the right sort of tool for the task at hand. The problem, though, is that when it comes to using AI, the learning curve is really steep. Think about it. To use AI effectively, you really need to be learning a new skill set. You need to be learning how to structure prompts for different type of tasks. You may need to be training AI for a specific type of jurisdictional practice. You might need to know how to iterate and refine. You might need to know when AI is going to work well and what doesn't. And that takes time. And frankly, it's taken me 1.5 years. The fact of the matter is that most lawyers don't really have the time to dedicate to this new skill. You're already learning, or you're already working 60-hour weeks. You're already juggling 50, 60, 70 active client matters. You have requirements for CLE. You have family obligations. So if someone like me tells you, hey, guess what? You need to spend more hours learning how to use AI, your response rightfully is going to be, I don't have that time. I'm already underwater, right? You went to law school to practice law, not to learn a new skill. And that's why most lawyers don't realize the full potential of the technology. They simply haven't experienced it. So while they might know that there's a better way, they're never going to realize or experience its full potential. The learning curve is just too steep. So if lawyers have no time to learn how to use AI themselves, what's the solution? Well, that's where legal tech platform is coming. And so the next video, I'm going to talk about and share what I think the value of legal tech platforms are and why it makes sense for lawyers. And in the interim, how many hours a week do you think that you could realistically spend learning how to use AI on top of your other obligations? And be honest. Comment below and hit follow for the next video. Cheers.